what's good? Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today, I just got in a pair of 1199 boots. I've been waiting on these since December. I'm actually really excited for them, honestly, because I was looking forward to them like the whole year. Last year, and then when they finally dropped it on a surprise Christmas drop, I definitely had to purchase as soon as possible, so I did the toe. And I just wanted to display you guys the boot in detail and whatnot, have y'all see them with me as I open it. So I fuck with this brand a lot. It's one of the more unique brands nowadays, to be honest. Instantly you're met with the 1199 Paris. I love what they did with the packaging. Bezel definitely made it look a lot more presentable. Higher end appearing for sure. I mean, this was an expensive boot. I'd say it was $300, like around $315 after translating from Euro. Oh shit. This is crazy. I got the gray. Just the box and the wrapping paper. These are crazy. So honestly, these are hard. So the reason I was finna say honestly, I bought these because I just love the silhouette of Uggs. And these are actually really light. I don't know why I expected them to be heavy, but Uggs are pretty much usually light. But they got these little ankle stuff basically, just to keep it in shape. And the inside, you have 1199 Paris on the tag. It's actually really cool. That's what it looks like inside. It's hard. They also come with a stem tree, which is cool as well. It's good that they added things like that. It just adds to the overall quality ensurement. On the bottom, you have 1199 Paris, like a bubbled texture for the grip. And all your little details right here, studs. I love that this is like, I didn't even realize this was gonna be like that. It's like a zipper, half zips on both sides. The studded detail around the ankle, around the panel in the back. Oh, these are crazy, bro. Hopefully, I picked these up in it said a size down, so I sized down. I'm usually a size 10. I picked these up in a size 9. So, hopefully they fit perfectly. They seem really comfortable. It doesn't seem like it's like any sort of itchy feeling, fuzzy material. It does feel nice in hands. And then on the other side as well, the tag, just to show you guys real quick, I forgot to. Made in China in different language and the size 42. The colored, I honestly forgot what you call these, but colors and the hanging off of them is definitely a niche. I don't know why I be forgetting like what things are called when I see them, even though I know what the fuck they're called. I know what I'm saying though. These things, they definitely a niche. I think when I seen these, you know what I'm saying, like, I like wearing shit. If I like it, I like it. I don't care how this shit would probably look to people. As of course I'm aware that it would probably catch eyes and probably be like, what is he wearing? But at the same time, bro, it's just like little things like this that I find unique and I think add to the presentation of something that you're wearing. Like it just is an added detail that make it pop a little more there, rather than it just being like studded all around. But you know, at the same time, it's of people's preference. People probably would have bought these even if they were studded like this. It wouldn't look bad, but it just gives it a flair. And the stitching is just nice as well. They did a really good job with the construction of this boot. It's a really nice material down here. Feels like a suede around the bottom sole. And the stitching is just really nice. All around the corners. and throughout the boot. I'm showing this in all the detail that I can because me and I know a lot of other people, if you're watching this, was waiting on this boot for a while, whether it been for the drop or even for it to arrive to you. I know this took 2 months, about a month and a half actually, to arrive. It wasn't terrible. How we feel and do a little fitting. Oh yeah, they fit smooth. They beads. I just remember. Shit, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you missed out on these, I don't even know if you're gonna restock them, but I appreciate y'all for watching. Shout out Bezo. Like I said, I think he's one of the hardest doing this shit right now. But with everything presented, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you got any information you may have been inquiring about regarding these. Again, definitely worth the wait. It's definitely of great quality. I'm very happy with them. Definitely leave me a like if you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're new, if you'd like to subscribe, I definitely appreciate that as well. But y'all take care, God bless, and again, thank you for your time. Love.